Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Bett&win. I want to show you this app that I told you guys earlier, how this app works. This app is just wonderful. All you need to do is to download this app, sign in. Just make sure you always have data when using the app. If it's outdated, just go and update it on your Play Store or Apple Store. It work on all phones. Then if you're not in Nigeria, then you can use your VPN, then download it, sign in, and anything you want to ask this app concerning football or basketball or tennis, you will see it. Just go to the search, you see the option for anything you want to ask about this app. You get it. Any option you want to play, whether it's on foot, like for example on football, you want to play both team to score, like this one. You can see this one now. You want to play both team to score, go to the app, you see the option, then ask any question you want to ask. Just make sure you have data. Ask any question you want to ask, and you will get it directly. Whether it's a straight win, draw, or button to score, or over goals, it will show you. For example, see how I do this one. You see go games for today, and you see the result here. Today's football lineup includes UEFA Europa League matches with notable features like Galatasaray vs Tottenham, Olympiacos vs Rangers. You see their results here. Can you see it? I still add more to it just to increase the odd I stake. This app is just wonderful. Just like this one I told you before. Like this one now, you see what I put here. List today's highest scoring games and time. It will show you the games for today and the time. Then it depends the kind of option it has. You want to know about that particular games. If it's a draw or straight win or over goals, you will get it. You just read everything they show you here. You can just see how the match is going to be. It will select team that is in a very good form for you, that is capable of playing that particular option you are asking. This is how this app works. It will now go and check their forms, check those on good form, then pick them and drop their names for you. That is how this app works. That's why I said you must make sure you have data on your phone. You must have megabyte that will help your network to be fast. Make sure your network is strong. Then ask anything you want to ask. This app will help you to go and check their forms, check their statistics, take their last results from their last games, of their 5 games, 8 games or more. You check their last results, pick according to the kind of question you ask, the option you want to play. If it's over goals, you now go and check teams that are capable of scoring more goals for you. Then you now bring their names. It can bring you like 3 games or 4 games or 2 games. That is very, very sure. Then if you bring that one, write it down or screenshot it. Then ask again, so I can get up to like 4 games or 5 games or 6 games. Then go to your favorite site that you normally use to pick your games and pick them one by one. Just pick exactly the option it show you. Don't pick another option. Pick that particular option it show you. Okay, for example, maybe you see straight win. For example, you ask about straight win, then it now bring you the straight win. Maybe that one is the one you can now, even if you want to choose over goals, you can still choose over goals. That one is okay. But if you choose over goals, he asks about over goals and he bring you over goals teams here. Just go and pick it. That over goes very perfect. Everything work perfectly. You see this one, I see the results here. Everything just perfect. This app is wonderful. You can download it anywhere you are, any country you are. Just use VPN. Select the location. Maybe you can select location for Nigeria and download it. Very simple. Start using it once your network is strong. That's perfect. Always make sure your network is strong while using the app. Just download it, then sign in. and start using the app to predict your games. Very simple. Like every weekend now, you can choose your games, especially for those that is taking high. You can choose your games, just pick one or two, then stake high. Those that stake in millions, those that stake any amount you can stake. And it can also work for basketball, tennis. You can choose any option you want on basketball. Whether it's over goals or straight win, you can choose best option for you, because it will now go through their statistics, their forms, and check the good ones that plays very well, check their last matches, their last results, how they normally play, everything. Now gather them, bring their name for you. You now go to the favorite site and pick them one by one. All right, this is Match Better Win. In case you're ready for this app, you can chat me on WhatsApp on 07036760527. This is Match Better Win. This app is available anytime, any day. Remember, once you have already installed the app, there's nothing again. You can be using it anytime. 1 year, 5 years, 2 years. Once the app is still on your phone, you'll be using it. There's nothing again like to subscribe or this thing again. Once you have already purchased the app, there's nothing again to do. You're not paying for anything again. Once you already get the app, that's all. So this is how the app works. You can see the one I choose here about voting to score. You see the result here. This is the result. All right, guys, this is Match Better Win. In case you never subscribe to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Thank you, guys. See you on the next video. Let's go.